The Ford Mustang is a quintessential American muscle car, and that distinction isn't going away anytime soon. But the vehicle now has to contend with no longer holding the title of Most American-Made Car. American University's Kogod School of Business just released its annual Made in America Auto Index. Last year, the manual transmission Ford Mustang topped the list. But this year, that model has fallen to number 22 on the list, and that's because Ford began sourcing the vehicle's transmission from Mexico. Despite the Mustang's fall in the rankings, the Ford Motor Company still controlled the top spot on Kogod's list. The Lincoln Corsair, along with its plug-in hybrid version, came in tied for first with 72% US and Canadian parts and a US-made engine. Rounding out the top three is the long-range Tesla Model 3, with 65% of its content coming from US and Canadian sources, and the Chevy Corvette Stingray, with 62%. Tesla managed to get 5 models in the top 10, while Chevy landed the Colorado in the top 3 and the Camaro AT at number 9. Looking back 10 years, Kogod said its list in 2013 was mostly made up of models from the big three, Ford, GM, and Chrysler, prior to its merger with Fiat to create Stellantis. Despite the changes in weighted rankings for Stellantis, the automaker still makes a good showing in the American-made list. Non-American automakers have also moved up the list in the past decade. Kogod said the Toyota Avalon was the only non-American vehicle in the top 10 on the 2013 list. But this year's rankings find Honda landing several models in the top 10, along with models from Toyota, Hyundai, and Kia making the top 25. Kogod's list uses 7 criteria for determining the most American-made vehicles: profit margin, labor, R&D, inventory, capital, and other expenses, engine, transmission, and body, chassis, and electrical components. What it doesn't consider is reputation or public perception, which means vehicles like the Honda Passport can make the top 10, while the Ford Mustang MT is out of the top 20. I'm Ben Munson, and this is IEN Now.